Hazrat Anas bin Malik radiyallahu anhu says, we were proscribed from asking questions from Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So it would be our yearning desire that some sensible desert Arab must come and ask the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam question, whereas we should listen to the Prophet's answers. One day a desert Arab came and submitted, O Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, your messenger has come to us and he says, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has commissioned you as an apostle. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, he has spoken the truth. He interrogated, who made the heaven? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu did. He then asked, who made the earth? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu did. He again inquired, who erected mountains on the earth? And who made the other things on the earth? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu did. By him who made the firmament, who made the earth and set up the mountain on it, has Allah Jalla Jalaluhu commissioned you as an apostle? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, yes. He then said, your delegate says that 5 prayers have been prescribed for us during the day and night. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam replied, he has spoken the truth. He said, by him who has appointed you as an apostle, have Allah Jalla Jalaluhu enjoined you the prayer? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, yes. He then submitted, your delegate says, poor due on our property is obligatory for us. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, he has spoken the truth. He whereupon asked, by him who has sent you as an apostle, has Allah Jalla Jalaluhu issued as such command for you? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, yes. He then said, your delegate says that observing the fasting in the month of Ramadan once in a year is also obligatory for us. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, he has spoken the truth. He thereupon asked, by him who has made you an apostle, has Allah Jalla Jalaluhu commanded it to you? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, yes. He thereafter said, your delegate says that pilgrimage is obligatory for any one of us who can afford it. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, he has spoken the truth. Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu says that desert Arab then went away, and while going he was saying, by him who sent you giving the truth, I will neither add to nor subtract anything from these instructions. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, if he is true, he will definitely enter paradise. Sahih Muslim Hadith number 102.